Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little mouse named Max. Max was not an ordinary mouse. He was brave and loved going on adventures. One day, Max heard about a hidden treasure in the forest. The treasure was said to grant one wish to anyone who found it. Max decided to go on an adventure to find this treasure. Max packed his tiny backpack with cheese and set off on his journey. He crossed rivers, climbed mountains, and went through dark caves. Along the way, he met many animals who tried to scare him away, but Max was brave and did not give up. After many days of travel, Max finally reached the place where the treasure was said to be hidden. It was a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers. In the middle of the meadow was a large tree with a hole in its trunk. Max climbed up the tree and peeked inside the hole. To his surprise, he found a small box. He opened the box and found a golden key inside. Suddenly, a voice echoed from the box. "To find the treasure, you must solve this riddle. What is always in front of you but can't be seen?" Max thought hard about the riddle. Then it hit him. "The future!" he exclaimed. As soon as he said this, the ground shook and a chest appeared from beneath the tree. Max used the golden key to open the chest and found a beautiful gem inside. The voice echoed again. "You have found the treasure. Now make your wish." Max thought for a moment and then made his wish. "I wish for happiness for all my friends in the village." When Max returned to his village, he found that everyone was happier. The crops were plentiful, and there was peace in the village. From that day forward, Max became a hero in his village. His bravery and kindness were celebrated by all. And so Max's adventure taught everyone that bravery is not about being fearless, but about facing our fears for the greater good. Remember, kids, no matter how small you are, you can make a big difference if you're brave.